Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 5th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from IFF, a leader in the food, beverage, scent, and health and biosciences industries. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me. I'm excited to discuss IFF's third quarter results and what they mean for investors.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. IFF reported net sales of $2.93 billion for the third quarter, marking a 4% increase from the previous year. John, can you elaborate on the company's profitability this quarter?
Absolutely. IFF's net income for the quarter was $60 million, translating to an earnings per share of 23 cents. However, when we look at the adjusted EPS, which excludes amortization, it stands at 104 cents, a 17% increase from last year. This improvement is driven by strong profit performance and lower interest expenses, despite some foreign exchange impacts.
Segment performance and growth drivers. John, can you break down the performance across IFF segments? What are the key growth drivers?
Sure, the Nourish segment saw a 7% increase in currency-neutral sales, driven by strong growth in flavors. Health and Biosciences reported a 12% increase, with robust performances across all businesses. The Scent segment grew by 10%, led by consumer and fine fragrance. Lastly, Pharma Solutions experienced an 8% growth, primarily due to volume increases in both industrial and core pharma.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Let's talk about operational efficiencies. EFF reported an operating EBITDA of $568 million with a margin of 19.4%. How is the company managing its operations?
IFF has focused on productivity gains and volume growth, which have significantly improved their operating EBITDA by 16% compared to last year. Their free cash flow stands at $399 million, and they maintain a net debt-to-credit adjusted EBITDA ratio of 3.9x, indicating a stable financial position. Looking ahead, IFF has increased its full-year guidance, expecting sales between $11.3 billion and $11.4 billion.
Risks and strategic initiatives. John, what are the key risks and strategic initiatives that investors should be aware of?
One of the main risks is the adverse impact of foreign exchange, which is expected to affect sales growth by approximately 3%. IFF is also dealing with high debt levels, which could impact liquidity. On the strategic front, the company is focusing on portfolio optimization and divestitures to streamline operations and enhance profitability. Competitive pressure remains a challenge, but IFF's strategic initiatives aim to mitigate these risks.
Key takeaways. To wrap up, IFF has shown solid performance with a 4% increase in sales and a 17% growth in adjusted EPS. The company has raised its full-year guidance, reflecting confidence in its strategic direction. However, investors should keep an eye on high debt levels and foreign exchange impacts. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing IFF's performance.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on IFF's performance in the comments below.